unboxing Dji OSMO 7P here in New Zealand. This one, guys. So this is sealed, as you can see, and then this is the description. So now he's tracking me, guys. Can you track me here? No, he cannot track me. Maybe. Okay, good. Nice. But I only don't know how to put this. So now I know. So good. So now, guys, he knows where I am. So how to talk some video, like for example, we're gonna do videos. Look, please follow me. Nice, very good. But if I go like that, so it will track me. See? Nice one, guys. Good.